What appears in your mind when you think nature? Animals? Plants? What else can you think of? How about a giant ball of gas that rains down light and heat that we need, but also invisible light that can hurt humans? No? Well, today we'll be talking about the science behind UV rays and sunscreen. In this brief video, I'll be explaining the different categories of UV rays, how sunscreen works, and different measures of sunscreen that's available. Now, you may have heard the word UV before. UV is short for ultraviolet. Violet is the purple color you know from the rainbow. We can see violet, but we can't see ultraviolet with only our eyes. This is because ultraviolet light has a shorter wavelength than violet. To quickly explain what wavelength is, the colors we see are made possible because of light moving in certain ways. Light that has a longer wavelength will have lower energy, and light that has a shorter wavelength will have higher energy. UV itself has three different categories: UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVA has the longest wavelength, UVB is second longest, and UVC is the shortest of the three. UVC, the shortest wavelength light, is absorbed by the ozone layer, although UVC lamps and lasers do emit UVC lights. Some UVB, but not all UVB, are absorbed by the ozone layer. UVA is not absorbed by the ozone layer. This means that what we actually receive on Earth is some UVB and more UVA. UVB rays can reach the outer layer of your skin, while UVA can penetrate the middle layer of your skin. If you're exposed to too much UVA and UVB, this means that it might damage your skin. It can be as light as a mild sunburn or as serious as skin cancer. So it is important to protect yourself against UV light in general, but more specifically UVA, UVB, which you will encounter more often outside. There are several ways to protect yourself from UV light. Hats and proper clothing can protect you. Another effective way is sunscreen. To put it simply, sunscreen, depending on its type, reflects or absorbs the UV rays before it can harm your skin. What is known as physical blockers reflect, and chemical blockers absorb. You've also probably heard of sunscreen and used sunscreen before, and you might have also heard of SPF and PA. SPF stands for Sun Protection Factor and measures the amount of UVB the sunscreen will block. PA stands for Protection Grade against UVA. Common SPF sunscreens are SPF 15, 30, and 50. SPF 15 blocks 93% of UVB rays. SPF 30 blocks 97% of UVB rays. And SPF 50 blocks 98% of UVB rays. PA plus means that the sunscreen provides some protection against UVA. PA++ provides moderate protection, and PA+++ offers the best protection out of the three. Although there are sunscreens with SPFs higher than 50 or lower than 15, these lower SPFs aren't recommended, and higher SPFs don't always protect more. See how SPF 30 blocks 97, but SPF 50 blocks 98. In fact, no matter the SPF, reapplying enough sunscreen is most important for the sunscreen to have its full effect.